Good day, grade 6 learners. We are now in week 2, volume of solid figures. After going through this lesson, you are expected to find the volume of cylinders, pyramids, cones, and spheres, and solve routine and non-routine problems involving volumes of solids. Hello! In this lesson, we will study and learn about the volume of solid figures and solve routine and non-routine problems involving volumes of solids. We will derive formulas to calculate for the volume in cubic units. Let us try to build a connection and derive a formula between the volume of these matching solids, same radius and same height. Suppose that we will try to fill these solid figures with water or 3 dBA. Do you know that it takes 3 cones to fill the cylinder with salt or water? Another trivia. The space a sphere takes is 2/3 of the volume of the cylinder. And the last trivia, it takes exactly 3 full pyramids to fill the prism. No, volume of a cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone, or the volume of a cone is 1/3 that of the cylinder. What is the formula to be used to find the volume of a cylinder? Volume equals B times H, where B equals area of the base, or B equals pi r squared, and pi is 3.14. So volume equals pi r squared times height. What mathematical formula can you derive for the volume of a cone? How do we write the formula for the volume of a cone? Volume equals 1/3 BH, where B equals area of the base, B equals pi r squared, and pi is 3.14, and H as height of the cone. So, volume equals base times height divided by 3, or pi r squared times height divided by 3, or 1/3 of pi r squared. Example 1. Volume of a cone. A cone hat has a diameter of 5 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. What is its volume? What is being asked? The volume of the cone. What are the given facts? Diameter equals 5 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. What is the operation to be used? Formula for the volume of a cone? Volume equals 1/3 base times height, or 1/3 pi r squared. What is the number sentence? Write the solution with the correct label. So using this formula, so volume equals 1/3 times 3.14, this is pi, times radius, multiplied by itself, times height, Let's simplify. So 1/3, 3.14, 2.5 times 2.5 equals 6.25 times 10. So 1/3 pi 6.25 times 10 equals 62.5 cubic centimeters. 1/3 of 196.25 cubic centimeters equals 65.42 cubic centimeters. And that is the volume of the cone. Example 2. Volume of a cylinder. Bobby is molding a cylindrical candle with a diameter of 12 centimeters and a height of 18 centimeters. How much wax does he need to mold the candle? What is the shape of the candle? How are you going to solve the problem? Find the volume of the cylindrical candle. What is the formula for the volume of a cylinder? Volume equals pi r squared times height. Your solution then answer using this formula. Pi is 3.14 times radius 6 centimeters and the height is 18 centimeters. Let's simplify. 6 times 6 equals 36 square centimeters. Then let's multiply 3.14 times 36 square centimeters times 80 centimeters equals 2,034.72 cubic centimeters. Bobby needs 2,034.72 cubic centimeters of wax to mold the candle. Example 3. Volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is given by the formula. Volume of a pyramid equals 1/3 times area of base times height. In a Changi or bazaar, Joshua bought a square pyramid glass keychain for his bag. The base of the keychain is 3 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Its height is 6 centimeters. Find the volume of the glass used to make the glass pyramid. What is being asked? The volume of the glass pyramid keychain. What is the shape of the base? Rectangle. What are the given facts? 3 inches by 4.5 inches and 6 inches. What is the operation to be used? Formula for the volume of pyramid. For solution and answer, using this formula, volume equals 1/3 times area of base times height, or 1/3 of length times width times height. So 1/3 is constant, the length is 3, the width is 4.5, and the height is 6. Let's multiply 3 times 4.5 times 6 equals 81 cubic centimeters. Divided by 3 equals 27 cubic centimeters. That is the volume of the glass pyramid keychain. This is 27 cubic centimeters. Example 4. Volume of a sphere. Jackie wants to know how much water a sphere can hold with a radius of 8 centimeters. Find the volume. Use 3.1445. What is being asked? The volume of the water the sphere can hold are the given facts. 8 centimeters, and that is the radius. What is the operation to be used? Use the formula for the volume of a sphere. Write the number sentence and your final answer with its correct label. Using this formula, so 4/3 is constant times pi 3.14 and the radius is a. Let's simplify a to the 3rd power, and that is 512. Then let's multiply 3.14 times 512 equals 1,607.68. And the volume is 2,143.57 cubic centimeters. That is the volume of water the sphere can hold. Remember this. The volume of a solid figure is the amount of space inside it. Volume is measured in cubic units, like cubic meters, cubic centimeters, and cubic decimeters, and etc. Which means the total number of cubes it takes to fill a solid figure. Learning task 1. Find the volume of its solid figure. Use pi equals 3.14. Show your solution and answers in your notebook. Number 1. That is cylinder. So using this formula, pi is 3.14 times the radius 3.5 and the height is 8 meters. So 3.5 times 3.5 equals 12.25 times 8 meters equals 307.72 cubic meters. Number 2. And this is the formula for finding the volume of a sphere. 4/3 times pi 3.14 and the radius is 20. Let's simplify 20 times 20 times 20 equals 8,000 cubic decimeters. Then 3.14 times 8,000 equals 25,120 cubic decimeters times 4 divided by 3 equals 33,493.33 cubic decimeters. Can you answer this number 3 using this formula? And this is number 4, and this is the formula for finding the volume of pyramid. Learning task 2. Answer the following problems. Show your complete solution in your notebook. And this is problem number 1. June wanted to know how much ice cream he got in one scoop. The radius of a scoop is 2 inches. Find the volume. Use 3.1445. What is asked in the problem? The volume of the sphere or the volume of one scoop? What are the given facts? Radius is 2 inches. What is the formula to be used? Number sentence and final answer. Using this formula, so volume equals 4/3 times pi 3.14 and the radius is 2. Let's simplify. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 inches. 3.14 times 8 equals 25.12 times 4 divided by 3 equals 33.49 cubic inches. Subukan nyo na sagutin ang problem number 2. Three, calculate the volume of the pyramid in the picture. What is the formula to be used? And for final answer, using this formula, so 1/3, the area of the base, 4 times 4, and the height is also 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16 times 4. 16 times 4 times 1/3 equals 21.33 cubic meters. Can you solve number 4 problem? Using this formula? Learning Task 3. Answer the questions that follow. Put the check on the space provided. Copy and answer in your math notebook. Number 1. The units for volume are always few. How about this number 2? Is it true or false? Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Number 3. Jorna is selling Pringle chips to raise money for a field trip. The container has a diameter of 9 inches and the height of 32 inches. Using this formula, pi is 3.14, the radius is 4.5, and the height is 32 inches. Let's simplify 4.5 times 4.5 equals 20.25 times 32 inches. So let's multiply 3.14 times 20.25 times 32 equals 2,034.72 cubic inches. Let's try to answer number 4 and number 5. Solve bits of the following problems. Draw an illustration of its solid figure described in the problem. Then write your solution and final answer on a piece of paper. Number 1. The base of a pyramidal tent is a square. If the tent is 2 meters long and 1 meters high, how many cubic meters of space can it hold inside? Using this formula, 1/3 area of base times height. The base is 2 times 2 and the height is 1.5. 2 times 2 equals 4 times 1.5 equals 6 cubic meters. Then, what is 1/3 of 6 cubic meters? So 2. The volume of the pyramidal tent is 2 cubic meters. A cone hat has a radius of 1.3 decimeters and a height of 4 decimeters. What is its volume? Using this formula, so 1/3, pi is 3.14, and the radius is 1.3 times 1.3 times 4 decimeters. So 1.3 times 1.3 equals 1.69 times 4 times 3.14 equals 21.23 cubic decimeters. Divided by 3 equals 7.08 cubic decimeters. The volume of the cone hat is 7.08 cubic decimeters. Subukan niyo ang sagutan ng number 3 gamit ang ating formula. At number 4 problem using this formula. Maraming salamat muli sa pagsama niyo sa ating video. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang ating video, please like and subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago pang darating na videos. Pwede kayo mag-comment at syempre, Please share these to your classmates. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!